Okay, I'm going to go over all the sounds for you. CK makes k like b, a, k, back. SK makes sk like skip, skip. SH makes sh like sh, op. TH makes th like th, at, that. CH makes ch like ch, ip, chip. AM makes am like k, am, clam. AN makes an like st, and. EE makes e like e, free. EA makes e like ed, read. IE makes I like t, I. AY makes a like st, a. AI makes a like snail, snail. OA makes o like goat. OE makes o like o, toe. ET makes et like paok, et. OY makes oi like oi. OI makes oi like oil. ING makes ing like sing. ANG makes ang like sang. ONG makes ong like song. UR, ER, and IR all make like but-earn, but-ummer, but-erd, bird. OR makes or like fort. OLD makes old like fold. AIR makes air like fair. EAR makes ear like fear. ALL makes fall, all like fall. And next one is UE and EW, which we haven't learned yet. So EW makes oo and UE makes oo. So I'm going to read some of these for you. So, ga, and then we said that it made oo, glue. You, few. Ooh, flew. Ba, ooh, blue. Ba, ooh, blue. So this one is like I blew a bubble, and this one is I like the color blue. EW makes oo, like stew. And then we are going to do AR. AR makes R like R, star, star, start, start, arc, park. OW makes ow like ow, ow, ow. And OU makes ow like house, ouse, about, found, sound, pound. We're going to do math. Plus 0. Anything plus 0 equals itself. Anything plus 1, we go up 1 from the number. So if we start at 8, we go to 9. Anything plus 2, we go up 2. So we would go 7, 8. Anything plus 3, we count up 3. So if we have 5 plus 3, we start 6, 7, 8. This one, plus 4, we separate it into a plus 2 and another plus 2 because that's what a 4 is. We have 2. And then we have 2 more, which makes 1, 2, 3, 4. So 7 plus 4, we're going to say 7 plus 2 equals 8, 9. And then we're going to go 10, 11. Anything plus 10, you put a 1 in front of the number. So 7 plus 10, I write my 7 and I put a 1 in front, 17. plus 11, you're going to use plus 10 as your strategy. So you're going to say 6 plus 11. We're going to use 10 plus 6 as my strategy. But I'm not doing 10 plus 6. I'm doing 10 plus 11. So I have to add this 1 in because 10 plus 1 is 11. So 10 plus 6 is 16 plus 1 is 17. Plus 9, we're going to do 9 plus 8. We're going to use 10 plus 8 as our strategy. 10 plus 8 equals 18. But then we have to go back 1 because we're not adding 10. We're adding 9, which is why we subtract 1. So we get our answer, 18. And then we have to subtract 1, which is 17. Now we're going to do subtraction. So minus 0. Anything minus 0 equals itself. So if I have 8 cookies and I eat 0 cookies, I still have 8 cookies. So for subtraction, the number that we're subtracting is the number of cookies that we ate. So for example, minus 1, if I have 8 minus 1, means I had 8 cookies and I ate one of them. So what I'm going to do is count backwards. What comes before 8? 7. If I did 7 minus 1, it means I had 7 cookies and I ate 1. So I go back 1 to 6.
Okay.
Minus 2, I go back 2. So if I had made 8 minus 2, what comes before 8? 7. What comes before 7? 6. So the answer is 6. So I just count backwards 2. It's the same strategy as addition, like we go up 2, but instead of going up, we go down 2. Minus 3, we go back 3. So if I had 10 minus 3, we start at 10. We go, okay, what comes before 10? 9. And then we count back to 8, 7. Does that make sense to you?
Yeah.
Okay. Anything minus itself equals 0. So if I have 8 cookies and I eat all 8 of them, doesn't it make sense that I have 0 left?
Mm-hmm.
So that's how it is anything minus itself equals 0. All right, our next one is really cool. So here's where you live and here's where your next door neighbor lives. So this is you and this is your next door neighbor.
Yeah.
Now, how many houses do you live from your next door neighbor?
My next door neighbor is 2.
Is 1. So it's 1 house away from where you live, right? So when we're on the number line, for example, we have a number line, we're counting like this. We have 1.
So your next door is like right by you, right?
Exactly, it's 1 house away. So if you have a number that's next door to each other on the number line, so 2 lives next to 1, 3 lives next to 2, 3 lives next to 4, 4 lives next to 5, 5 lives next to 6, 6 lives next to 7, 7 lives next to 8, and so on. It's 1 jump. So if you have a number like 10 minus 9, because 9 and 10 live next to each other on the number line, the answer is 1. So 10 minus 9 is 1. 9 minus 8, 8 and 9 live next to each other on the number line, so the answer is 1. How about 8 minus 7? Does 8 live next to 7 on the number line?
8 does live next to 7.
Yep. So what is the answer?
It is 17.
So because they live next to each other on the number line, how many jumps do they live from each other? 1, right?
Yeah.
Nope, 1. Just like you live next to your next door neighbor, 7 lives next to 8.
There would be 0 next to our neighbor, like with a kindergarten.
But it's still one house away, right? Okay, so that's our subtraction facts.